Hello children, welcome to our world through English. So today we are getting into a new poem and again we came back to the textbook. In the previous session we discussed articles, right? Where we have to use articles a and the or the, and I have given you many examples, many fill in the blanks I have given you, and you clearly know that where we have to use articles, where we should not use articles also you learned, right? So coming back to our textbook, so in the previous classes we completed up to Rip Van Winkle and voices. Already we learned voices. Why? Because we learned tenses, we learned voices, we learned what we call articles, and after this unit, next one more lesson, C reading also there, no? After that, we will again go back to the grammar. Then again we will start one more important, we forgot figure of speech also you learned, right? So we learned many topics, and you know what you learned, everything will be same. Now 6th class you learned, 7th same, 8th same, 9th same, 10th same. So I taught you the advanced level of English grammar which you can use in the coming days. So everywhere, anywhere, wherever you goes, we will change, I will change, but grammar won't change. Whoever teach, me or some other teacher, some other new teacher, whoever thought that the grammar was same. Grammar was same, right? Children, now we are having a new poem called My Shadow. My Shadow. Do you know the word meaning shadow? Shadow. Yes sir, we know shadow. What is the meaning of shadow? Shadow, shadow. Shadow. Let me show you my shadow. Appearing, right? Maybe for you, maybe not appearing. Let me show you. Yes, yeah. This is my shadow. Maybe appearing or not, I don't know. If I stood here, the light was turning the side. Somewhere it will fall. Yeah. We know shadow very well. No need to explain more about the shadow. So shadows we know. When we have light, something when the light reflection falls on us, then we will have our own reflection. That is called shadow. So now our Robert Louis Stevenson written a beautiful poem called My Shadow. Whose shadow? My shadow. Where is my shadow? Show me my shadow. Your back, sir. Where it is? Where it is? Where it is? Here it is. My shadow. So my shadow means our shadow. Sir, why we have to learn about shadow? Because we know it was clearly appearing. We know very well about shadow. But Robert Louis Stevenson was going to say you something, going to say us something about our own shadows. What our shadow is going to do, what our shadow was doing regularly, he is going to teach us today. Let us see here. I have a little shadow. Who is saying that? A small boy, or about Robert Louis Stevenson saying that I have a little shadow that grows in and out with me. What happened? Wherever I goes. See here, I am moving friend, I am moving friend, I am moving friend. What happened? My shadow also moving. So he is saying that I have a shadow, little shadow. What the shadow is, wherever I goes, inside following, outside following. So wherever I goes, it is following with me. What the shadow is saying, I want to follow you. Song, one song I heard that. So wherever we goes, what happened? This shadow is following us. How? like a small devil. Wherever you are going, we are fine. Sometimes we will see our own shadow and we will say, "Oh, here." In the night time, suddenly power gone. You kept a candle and you kept like this. Your shadow, oh, my own shadow. Yes or no? Many times you frightened about the shadows. So here is a shadow. What the shadow was doing? Wherever I goes, it is following me. When I'm going out, it is following me. When I was coming in, it was following who? My own shadow. And what can be the use of him is more than I can see. What is the use of shadow? Is there any use of shadow? Will the shadow help us anything? Will the shadow talk to us? Will the shadow gives us food? Will the shadow gives us water whenever we want? Will it do all these things? No. Then what is the use of shadow? What is the use of shadow? And what can be the use of him is more than I can see. What is the use? We will feel only the shadows appearing here, but there was a lot of use. He was saying that Robert Louis Stevenson, saying that I can see more use with him. What is the use? He is very, very like me, from the heels up to the head. What is the use? How I was appearing, it was same copy. See here, my hand up, my shadow up. From the bottom, from down to the head, how I was looking, same he was. Who? My shadow. Who? My shadow. For example, I am now Christmas, so my shadow is my back. I raised my hand, my shadow also raised my hand. I was moving my hand, my shadow also moving. Yes or no? So what I was doing from the top to the bottom, from head to heel, it was same as like me. What I was doing, it was doing. So it is exactly copy paste. Who? Mine. So, and I see him jump before me when I jump into my bed. So what happened? Before going to bed, he will go before me first. When I step here, first my shadow was going before. See, it is showing first. If you have when you watch this class, you just go out and check yourself. Just go out and keep your hand like this. So my shadow was going on, my hand also moving on. Just I was stepping forward, I was seeing that before that my shadow came, right? So Robert Louis Stevenson saying that before going to bed, who is going first? My shadow is going to bed first. My shadow is sleeping first than me. So he is very, very active, and he is always with me. Wherever I goes, my shadow is following me. My shadow is following me. The funniest thing about him is the way he likes to grow. Now I can't grow because I already crossed the age. Now you are in 6th standard. When you come to 7th class, you will become little bit tall. 8th, little bit tall. 9th, little bit tall. 10th, up to 10th class, you will grow. So that is our growth. And here, shadow will grow very fast. Sometimes it will appear like a tall one. Sometimes like a short Lilliput. Like Rip Van Winkle story, we have seen a short one, like that. Sometimes our shadow will become very small. Sometimes like a big tower. Now see here exactly. If we keep light back of yours, then it will go there, your hand. Let me show you once. Let me test with the help of my mobile. Oh, see here my hand. Have you seen my hand here? Actually my height is up to here, but it was showing there. Here it was showing my hand. Why? I kept my light back here. If I keep here, see here my hand. Have you seen my hand? There it was touching. Here it was touching. See here clearly. Now see. So it will grow very fast. It will go very fast. How you know? The funniest thing about him is the way he likes to grow. He will grow up very, very differently, funnily. I kept light here now, so it grew up to there. Originally here only up to here, but it up to there. So the funniest thing, not at all like a proper children which always grow very slow. I said no, from 6th class you are like this, 7th class up to here, 8th class no, 10th class no, intermediate like here. But now what happened? It is not like us. It is same like us, shadow, but not like us. It won't grow like us slowly, slowly, slowly. It will grow suddenly. It will increase. Sometime suddenly it will become short when on basis of light, right? Right. So for he sometimes shoot up taller like an India's rubber ball. You know, if you take a rubber ball, if you hit it, it will go too high, right? Sometimes shadow will go too height, sometimes too short. And see here, and sometimes get so little that there is none of him at all. Sometimes what happens? Suddenly it will go up. I'd show no, because when the light was back of us, when it falls on the back of us, then our shadow will go very far, right? Very far. Sometimes it will grow very fast like a rubber ball, but sometimes it will become very small. It will become very small. For example, if the light is on our top, no shadow will appear. If it is front, if it is back, then our shadow will appear. So now, one morning, very early, before the sun was up. Now children say, when you can find your shadow? When you can find your shadow? When you have light. If there was no light, will you find your shadow? Will you find your shadow? Now you have a light, so my shadow was appearing here, right here. If there was no light, will you find my shadow? No. So now here our small boy, our Robert Louis Stevenson, saying that one morning what happened? Very early, before the sun was up, before the rising of the sun. Before rising of sun, do you find any light? Nothing. All dark. No light. So what happened? I rose and found the shining dew on every buttercup, but my lazy little shadow like an errant sleepy head. So what happened? I got up in the early morning, like the small bright yellow and wildflower. So I rose and found something dew on every. So he rose up early in the morning. There was no sun, nothing was there. And when he got up, he couldn't find his shadow. And he is saying that my shadow was very lazy. I got up very early in the morning, but he was still sleeping. My shadow was sleeping like an. It is a simile. Do you remember the figure of speech? Like means simile. Like an errant sleepy head means completely a boy who was very completely tired. So that is errant sleepy head. So my shadow was very lazy and he was not getting up. Had stayed at home behind me and was the fast asleep in bed. So now what happened? I am the first who got up, because before my shadow I got up. Before my shadow he got up. Very simple. There was nothing in the poem about our shadow. When you can find your shadow? Simple, say answer. When you can find your shadow? Where you can find your shadow? when you have a light. When you have light, you can find a shadow. If there was no light, there was no shadow. If there was no light, there was no shadow. So slowly he got up in the morning and there was no light, and if there was no light, there was no shadow. There was no light and there was no shadow. Finally, the poet was saying clearly, Robert Louis Stevenson saying that the shadow was disappeared. Why the shadow was not appeared? Because there was no sun. And the poet was saying that I got up first than my shadow, because my shadow was sleeping. Is the shadow sleeping? No. Why? There was no light. So that was the end of the beautiful poem. And let me teach you again. Let's go back to the page number 83, children. Passive voice, active voice. We already completed the topic, right? Passive voice, active voice. And now we have a topic, adverbs of frequency revision. You know that words here: usually, never, always, sometimes, usually. So you have to know the words. Always means what, children? Always means 100%. Okay. Frequently, usually, oftenly, rarely means 10%. Never means 0%. Like that, we have to fill those answers. That I will. Already it is a revision. Already I said the topic. That was the end. So now page number 84. There you have a passage. Every passage has a mistake. There were a hot summer. I will teach you the errors. Then afterwards that will be the end. Let me write the passage. It were a hot summer day. Many animals of the forest. Assembled in and near the pond. All of them were relaxing. And talk. Just then a crow came fly and sat on So children, every full stop has a mistake. You know that very well. Every full stop has a mistake. From full stop to full stop, there we have a mistake. You have to identify that mistake and we have to make it 5. Editing. Right? So first one. It were a hot summer. So were singular or plural? Were singular or plural? were singular or plural? Plural. It singular or plural? Singular. So what was the mistake? It was a hot summer day. So many animals of the forest assembled in and near the pond. Many singular or plural? Many plural. Animal, many animal or animals? Many animals. Many animals of the forest assembled in and near the pond. All of them were relaxing and talk. Relaxing is a continuous tense. Talk is a V1. So all of them what they were doing were relaxing and talking. And talking. Just then a crow came flying and sat on a branch. Let me read again that word. Just then a crow came flying and sat on a branch. So now what was the mistake here? Just after comma, just then. Just then a crow came flying and sat on a branch. And sit on a branch, or came fly or come, and just a crow came flying and sat on the branch. Sat on a branch. Where was the mistake there? And just then a crow came flying and sat on the branch. Sat on a branch, and a rabbit saw it. We compared articles in the previous session. Okay. And just then the crow came flying. A crow came flying and sat on a tree and sat on a branch. Correct, right? So that was the end of this topic. So that was the topic. Next, let us see here page number 84, children. Page number 84, you have imagine you are Rip Van Winkle and write a narrative what happened to you 20 years ago. So now you have to write a story. Very simple story. What was the story? What happened to you before 20? Because how many years Rip Van Winkle slept? Rip Van Winkle slept 20 years. Rip Van Winkle slept 20 years. So before the 20 years, what happened to Rip Van Winkle? He was asked to explain. So you are now Rip Van Winkle. So you have to say, I went to the forest along with my simple. You start like this. I went to forest, or I went to Catskill Mountain along with my wolf, and I walked for a long time, and I reached the top of the mountain. After that, I got relaxed and I slept for a time. Then suddenly I heard a voice calling me, Rip Van Winkle, Rip Van Winkle. I had seen a strange short man having different color, grizzled hair. Like that, you know the story, right? Grizzled hair. And I went and helped the man to take his container, and I reached a place where I can find many short men playing nine pines. Many playing nine pines. and they given me a drink. I took and I slept. I don't know what happened. And finally, when I got up, I came to village. The village has been changed, and all the people were differently looking at me. And finally, I come to know that I slept for a long time, 20 years. So like that, you are Rip Van Winkle, and you have to express the story, what happened at the time. Okay, that was the end of the story, My Shadow, and Rip Van Winkle, vocabulary and grammar. In the tomorrow session, we will start one more important novel, Gulliver Travels. So that is the end of today's lesson. Meet you in the next session, children. Until then, stay home, stay safe, and bye-bye.